Hello, welcome to Smart Expense Approval mobile app demo by Algorithm. First, we will look at the business benefits of running this mobile solution in your organization and the architecture of this application. Alright. This solution can be used when longer and manual expense approvals result employee satisfaction. This app helps companies to check budget allocations versus actuals, which is harder with manual processes. And managers nowadays lack efficient way to process employee travel expenses. You have to go to the office and depend on desktop-based systems, and we don't even have access to Oracle EBS system outside. So with this solution, managers can see their employee expense reports with a very simple user experience and in real time. They can view all the pending approvals, they can review the line items and all the details required. And this application is integrated with Oracle EBS. It has no middle layer like staging or caching or any type of storage of data in the middle. It directly comes through Oracle EBS system and in real time. This app works on mobile, tablet and as well as desktop. So the managers, by looking at the open expense reports, they could accept, reject or delegate it quickly to their colleagues. We look into the value drivers by using this app. It accelerates the decision making. One can build trust and loyalty with their employees. It reduces manual processing, costs, errors, and the time lag. Can policy checking, streamline processes. We have two flexible architectures. First one is cloud integrated solution. So the mobile front-end development can be done in Ionic framework. It works for iOS, Android, and Windows. The Oracle Mobile Cloud Service and middleware. So we'll have our REST-based APIs in the Oracle MCS, and it is connected to the Oracle EBS through integrated SOA gateway. So if you are not interested in MCS system, we have a non-cloud architecture directly connecting without any middleware, where you just use Open Apache server. Then this is the agenda for our mobile app demo. First of all, we'll log into the mobile app and we'll check the current status. We'll switch to the eBusiness Suite backend and we'll create test data for expense report. And then we'll come back to our mobile app and we'll check if the created expense report has been generated here. If we can see the notification. And then we'll be seeing all the app features and functionalities. And then we'll submit a transaction from our mobile app. We'll check the status in the mobile first. And then we'll switch back to the EBS backend. And we'll check the status of the transaction we did from our mobile. So let me just connect my mobile. Okay. I launched the app from the beginning. So we'll go to the Smart Expense Approval app. Now I will log into the app with demo user. Okay. Since we don't have any pending approvals, we see 0 pending approvals in the list. So now we'll switch to eBusiness Suite. We'll create a expense report and come back to the mobile app and check. So I'll pass my presenter role. to our functional consultant. She'll create an expense report for us. Okay, we're logging into eBusiness Suite with Levis user. We'll navigate to iExpenses responsibility. We'll click on Create Expense Report button. We will fill in all the required fields like the purpose, trip to Oracle Open World. Okay, next page. We enter all the line details here. So our first line item is accommodation. We'll specify the hotel name in justification field. The second line item is for airfare. We'll specify the airlines. Okay, we'll go to the details tab and give the location here. We return back to the line items page. We specify the cost center. So we have two cost centers here, 101 for line item 1 and 201 for line item 2. We'll add the attachments. So we upload the files for the receipts. Okay, we are done with the attachments. We'll proceed and submit this expense report. Okay, the expense report is generated with the expense ID 7841. Let me note down this. Now we'll connect our mobile app and check if this notification has come here. Okay, sorry, this was minimized. Okay, we can see the expense ID 78141 in the list here with all the header details. Now once we click on that, we can see all the details. The two line items, accommodations and airfare. Now we can view the receipt in this page. So we can see the PDF file attached here for accommodations. Okay. We can check the report summary, expense purpose, business purpose, and we can see the two cost centers assigned here with the percentages. We can check the action history. Okay, since it is only one action performed submitted by levies, we can see. Okay, we can perform three transactions here: approve, reject, and forward. So right now we will approve this expense report. Excuse me. So I'll click on OK here. Expense will be approved. When we come back to the list, we can see that the notification disappears here. That means it is approved. I'll disconnect my mobile. We'll go back to the EBS and check action is performed. I'll pass the presenter role. So we are logged in with the levies user here. We'll check the notification if it has arrived. So the expense ID is 78141. It has been approved. Okay. So we'll go back. So similar transactions can be performed for reject and forward. So if you want to get started, we are publishing our apps in Oracle App Store, the mobile cloud store. You can test the app in demo mode and test the functionality and all the features it provides. All the data in the demo mode is test data and not the real one. So you could drop a mail to the team, rajp@algorithm.com, and you can have a technical Q&A. Thank you for watching the video.